Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas, and I go live every day for the opening and closing bell. Everything you see here is real, genuine. This is my real position, my real money, and my real trades. And we're joined from investors all around the world, equally sharing their live positions. Now, the name of this video is Coinbase Earnings. Will Bitcoin crash tonight? Some people have said it's a bottom, but Coinbase earnings could be disastrous, and Coinbase earnings do correlate with Bitcoin. So if Coinbase's earnings are disastrous tonight, will we see Bitcoin crash? Well, I've said a crash is coming for Bitcoin. Will it come tonight? We will find out very, very shortly. So let's see what happens. Let's get straight into our trade. This is my live position, and let's get straight into it right now. Here we go. Okay, so this is where we are right now. This is the Vanguard S&P. Now, you know I said to you today that at the end of the day, the markets would rally. Well, they're starting to come up. I said that we would have a green day coming into the end of the session. I still think that's possible. Probably not, but we will get a rally. I do see it going up into the close. I do anticipate tomorrow being at 8.7 CPI, Consumer Price Index. If that is the case, that we get 8.7 tomorrow, down from 9.1, I anticipate that would send signals to the markets that inflation has peaked and the markets have bottomed, and we are starting to recover. So let's see what happens. I want to welcome Arnold the Palmer, who's over there on Twitch for me. Thank you very much, Arnold. Make sure that you keep a tab open over on Twitch. Even if you come into YouTube, keep the tab open, because the ad revenue I get and all of the subscriptions I get, I return back to you in in cash prizes. Anyway, just in, lawsuit. New lawsuit alleges 9 Coinbase executive misled investors about public listings. There we go. And so is Mike over there as well on Twitch. Thank you very much indeed. So it's a big night tonight. Twitch is running, I can confirm. Thank you very much indeed, Theodore Roll. Lovely stuff. Thank you very much. So we got 3 of you, have we? Got 3 people, Theodore, Arnold, and Mike. Wonderful stuff indeed. Thank you very much. Make sure all 3 of you are actually subscribers of Twitch. That way, you'll be in our monthly prize draw. You might as well. BlackRock taking out the trash. Nitz Ferolds, how are you? Good to see you here this afternoon. Right, so what do you think? I'm going to ask our crypto connection here tonight, Paul B. What do you think tonight? I'm reading all the news this afternoon in my lunch break, and there's a very big chance tonight. Am I covering Coinbase? I wasn't planning on it. No, it's not a scheduled event. I wasn't planning on it actually tonight, but I have mentioned it in the title of this video that we are looking at it going into the close. So let me open up a tab for it. Let me stick it here. Let me open up one up here. And we'll put Coinbase in. And the reason why I'm interested in it is because, as you know, I'm looking to catch the dip for Ethereum and Bitcoin. Now, it may not come, we don't know, but let's have a look at Coinbase right now. Here is Coinbase. It's down nearly 11% today. Now, let's have a look at Bitcoin right now. There, Bitcoin is down 3%. Not as much, but a big dip, really. Now, this is what I've come to the conclusion, and maybe Paul B might tell me I'm wrong here, or maybe he might tell me I'm right. If we go above 24,000 and we push through, then maybe the signs will be from people who want to go back by previous experience. Then perhaps we have bottomed on Bitcoin, and it's not going to be a big drop. But if we break 23 and we go down to 22 tonight, then we're about to drop. That's what I'm anticipating. It's what I'm ready for. I have money on hand to buy it. That's exactly what I'm expecting to happen. I've been receiving some very good information from Paul recently, and I used to be very bullish on crypto. You know I did. Only Bitcoin and Ethereum. Just want to be clear about that. But I am prepared to get back in again once we rinse out all the nonsense. And the way I look at it is this: if you want to own crypto, if you believe in crypto, which I do going forward when it's all cleaned up and rinsed out, I do 100%. If you do, why not own Bitcoin or Ethereum directly rather than Coinbase? What is the point of that? There's no point. Because Bitcoin, Coinbase relies on what Bitcoin does. It's like a, if you think about it, it's like an NFT. I know it's not an NFT, sorry, an ETF, if you like. Its success relies on the stocks in the ETF, just like the S&P 500, right? So it's like saying, I'm interested in gold, so you go and buy a gold mine. Just buy gold. Then you don't have all the dramas and the stress of the individual mines, but gold is still good, right? The mine could go bankrupt, but gold is still good. Coinbase, with all its NFTs and staking, we've seen so much of it, and Paul B has just mentioned actually in the show, and I wouldn't mind actually Paul B calling into the show tonight. It might be very useful. Let me open up Discord right now, and we'll invite our members to call in. If anybody wants to call in, discuss this. Do you think if Coinbase goes down tonight, and let's be honest, it's not doing too well at the moment, 11%, it's not huge for before an earnings, but not looking good. If Coinbase goes down tonight 20-30%, Bitcoin will follow it. It has to, right? In my opinion, in my humble opinion, and there's nothing humble about me, says Dan Penner. Let's have a look. Paul says CPI results will also play its part tomorrow. Yep, but that's going to be good though. I'm expecting 8.7. So that's good for everybody tomorrow. I'm sure tomorrow is going to be fine. I'm sure we're going to have a green day tomorrow. A really, really green day. Could be very exciting tomorrow, actually. CPI results will also play its part tomorrow on Bitcoin. Coinbase results could have an effect, but right now Bitcoin looks more likely to go towards 26 and 28. But we have not bottomed, that's for sure. Okay. So let's see what happens. I think Bitcoin, Coinbase tonight. Now I'd like Paul's opinion on this, whether you call in or come through, or in the chat. What's your differences? What if you were selling me two stocks, Coinbase versus crypto.com? Sell me the stocks. If I'm sitting here with $1 million, and maybe I've got $1 million ready to spend, who knows? I think you all know the answer to that. I've got $1 million. I'm going to buy crypto.com or I'm going to buy Coinbase. Let's put a poll, right? And I'm going to give you a couple of options here. Which do I invest in? Crypto.com, Coinbase, or if you don't understand either, so don't just guess. If you don't understand the differences or what they are or what they do, or then you put undecided, don't know, don't understand, don't know. Okay, so crypto.com, Coinbase, or don't know. And if you don't know, just put don't know. Don't just pick one because it sounds good. Go, I don't know. All right, crypto.com, Coinbase. Let me have a look. Let's see what happens. I have some Shiba made out well on Doge, sold all but 3,000. It's paid for and fun. So it actually introduced me to investing. Investing, Mullen and Sen. I'm not sure Mullen's investing though. Finport FTX. FTX. Well, we're not. That wasn't an option. I'm not giving that as. We're not adding another one in. We're at the two to choose from. Fin is that's interesting. We've got one vote and it's straight away. Don't know. Okay. Over the last 2 weeks, ask yourself this question: what exchange has had more positive news and regulatory approval and no legal action against it? Simple. Crypto.com. The Kronos network is growing. I agree with that. That's fair comment. Fair comment. Coinbase could be one of those last to be, well, not last, but one of those to be rinsed out. We'll find out later on. There we go. So we've got it there. There's a question. Let's see what everybody says. Crypto.com. No one for Coinbase. I like the fact that 3 of you just don't know. See, Paul? You need to do more education here, Paul. 75% have no idea. That's not good, is it? That's not good. Shouldn't be I don't know, right? But it is. That's the reality of all of this. Let me go and ask everybody on TikTok tonight. I'm going to give you a little quiz. All right? Give me a happy smiling face in our poll if you think that Coinbase is going to have a good earnings, and a sad face if you think it's going to have a bad earnings. So happy face for a Coinbase good earnings and a sad face for a Coinbase bad earnings. So are you happy or sad on Coinbase today? Here comes the poll. There it is in the chat for you. All bad news about Coinbase are fake. That's from BlackRock. Or that's from Finn Paul. He's put in brackets, he's put BlackRock. All bad news about Coinbase are fake. That's from Finn Paul. Okay, well, that doesn't help if there's fake news flying around. It doesn't help the case, and that's part of the problem. That so much nonsense is flying around. That's half the problem with crypto right now, that no one knows really what's going on. All right, that's half the problem. So we need to get rid of all that nonsense. So let me get rid of it. Let me sort it out myself right now. Let me take an axe to it and fix it. All right, Ethereum. Ethereum right now is 1.6, down 5% today. Hi everyone, Dexter Sickles, here he is. Here's the man. Here's the man with the family, Dexter Sickles. Love it. All the kids, all the family, all gathered round the telly. Brilliant, brilliant. How are your family? Yeah, this is especially for all the Sickle boys and girls. How are you, Sickles? The Sickles family, somewhere out there in the universe. And if you tap on the screen, look like that. You tap on. See, I'm tapping on your telly screen. Let's see, bing, 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 like that. I'm here inside your TV. I am the magic man on YouTube. It's amazing. Anyway, I vote Coinbase. Everything works in harmony from the crypto exchange, that's crypto.com, to the DeFi platform. Also, you have the utility side, which allows you to use CRO, crypto.com, Kronos, to buy NFTs, stake, earn, and use debit reward cards. I vote Coinbase. Dexter, why do you vote Coinbase? Why? Why do you vote Coinbase? Finn Paul, the course was pushed down until it was published that BlackRock is joining Coinbase. The course was pushed down until it was published that BlackRock is joining Coinbase. As soon as the information was published, all the bad news was gone. We love you, Martin. You got my nose. Bing, 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 bing on the screen. There we go. The Dexter Sickles family. There you go. I can't wait for the next birthday, anniversary, wedding. I don't know. Whatever reason the Sickles have to celebrate, you let me know, and we'll be there again. All right. So I said this morning we'd get a rise into the close. I still believe that. That's what we're seeing right now. As you can see, that is what we are seeing into the close right now. Anyway, looking good. Thank you ever so much, everyone, for joining me this afternoon. Elijah turns 7 on the 11th, which is Thursday. Well, you know what you got to do. Elijah, this is your favourite TV show. This is your favourite live entertainer, live on the telly. Right? I hope your dad's got a nice big telly and he's got the setting changed to 4K, because you could stream me in 4K on a big TV screen, so it looked good, right? Anyway, on the 11th, you'll be 7 years old, right? So I need to do a special birthday. So you've got 2 days to tell all your friends. On the 11th of August, you need to watch the telly, and you need to give them all a link. Send them all a little link on Facebook or text or whatever it is you use, and let them know all about it, that they all need to be here. And if they're all there, they can go into the chat and say, "Hello, Elijah." And we can do that for your birthday. And it'll be the best birthday in the world ever. I love it. Right. Coinbase now down 10%. Let's have a little look. 52-week low, $40. So it's been half this price and over the last year. It's been lower. Let's go and have a look. It's been as low as, even though it doesn't show it, it's $40. So look at that for a chart. Would you buy into that? Doesn't matter where it's been, it's where it's going. This is irrelevant. Don't look at a chart like that and go, "Oh, well, that's good. Look, it's discount. People bought it here. I can buy it here." I mean, it could go down here. Just because it was up there doesn't mean it's going to go up there. It's not a guaranteed fact. Of course, it's better to buy here than to buy there, but not necessarily. Here, it was promising to be something better than it was then, but it never delivered. So, you decide. He's eager for the Rio dividends. He's eager for the Rio dividends. You're right there. Rio dividends, Rio Tinto. Here are my Rio Tintos. Not only are we up today, despite everything else, we are also getting more. We are getting more dividends. I'm not buying any more, folks. By the way. 3.6. I do like the fact it's getting into wind and solar. I do like that. But at the end of the day, just because something is great and earns you money doesn't mean to say you just keep buying it forever and ever and ever. That's not how the game works, right? Okay. So we'll be here for a while to cover a bit of the earnings from Coinbase. We're not doing a special earnings report tonight. Because I need some time off. I'm getting a little bit burned out, getting a little bit tired. I don't know if anyone's realised, I've been going nearly 15 months now. I had a break last October. Apart from that, that's it. 12-hour days. I get in here at 7 in the morning, I leave at 7 at night. And I'm pretty tired, folks. Pretty tired. It's keeping the shows fresh and new and on it, stuff like that, and it's the biggest privilege, honour to do this. But it doesn't mean to say you don't get tired. You get mentally exhausted. Anyway, Walmart, Rolls-Royce, barcoding as it often does. PayPal. Now we've got a lot of insider trading that says they've sold their shares, but it's moved up again. I said it would move. Everything would move up in the close. Take a week off. Well, I'm off in October, as you know. Going to go to England and record the film. So I'm going in October to England. So I'm going to be doing on location filming, but it won't be like this. It won't be the fancy studio. I haven't worked out exactly what I'm going to do. Will Bitcoin going down, bruv? Kimmy. I do believe that Bitcoin has a long way to go down. Yes, I do. I've made money from Bitcoin. I've had $10,000 of Bitcoin at one point. Right now, though, I'm out of Bitcoin. I say I'm out. I'm up 17%. I have $291. This is my real money, my real trades. But yes, I do. And I'm waiting for it to go down. This is my overall portfolio. This is my real money, all my real money. This is where we are today. You look at it over a day. Look at it over a week. Look at it over a month. This is the situation right now. 3 months. Looking pretty good, right? Over the last 3 months, we're up. Coinbase earnings are announced tonight. They are announced tonight. We are covering most of it tonight, so stick with us. Yes, we are. We're not doing an earnings report, but we are going to keep this show going and go into the earnings in some way, in some fashion. But yes, Coinbase. We are going to keep our eye on it throughout the earnings. Is it a wise choice to short Bitcoin now, in your opinion? Well, I'm not a shorter. I don't like shorting. I love when people short stocks because it always makes me money. As we've explained on the show many times, shorters often win the battles, but always lose the war. I'm not a shorter. I'm always bullish, always optimistic, and always find a way to make money. But I do like when people short stocks because it always gives me money in the end. So I have no problem with shorters. You can do what you like. You short it if you want, because I'll buy it when it goes down, and then you'll get short squeeze. So it goes round and round. I mean, it goes from your hand to my hand, but I don't give it back though. It stays in my hand once you've done that. So anyway, this is my actual position. This is my actual money. As you can see, I'm up at $40,000. This all started from $5,000, and there you go. So I don't mind people shorting stocks at all. Remember why I invest in the first place. I invest in people, not in ideas. I invest in people and ambition of where the world is going. That's what I invest in. And I understand people's sentiment. So that's what it's all about. Anyway, we got some new people joined us today. So we're keeping our eye on Coinbase tonight. Rio Tinto. This is phenomenal. Love this stuff. Got a great dividend paying out soon. I bought more. Very excited. I should have around about $100 worth of dividends, which will buy me nearly 2 shares of it for free, and then I'll have 43. So that's all very good, all well and good. In fact, we can look at it because right now I've got 41, and let's see how many I have after the dividend. It will automatically be reinvested. Virgin Galactic has been down all day, trying to come back up. The Virgin Orbit also trying to come back up. Tesla. I said this week could reach $1,000. It'll do it tomorrow. I'm pretty confident that'll be an 8.7 tomorrow. When that happens, up goes Tesla. The high growth stocks. By the way, we got some breaking news for Tesla. I don't know if anybody is aware, but Tesla just announced a short while ago that they are applying to get a factory built in Canada. They are now applying to get permission to build a factory in Canada. So there you go. Very, very good indeed. Apple. Can you remember just a short few weeks ago, I was down on Apple. I'm now up. I've got, it's 6% of my portfolio. A huge part of my portfolio is Apple. I have 6%, 26 shares. It pays a great dividend. Look, you can see that August 11th, $6.01. Free money. Free money. Do absolutely nothing. That comes in all the time, and it is reliable as well. So that's great. That $6 will go right back in and buy a part of a share. So that'll be nice. $6 of free money. Plus, it's got a good return now. So I'm happy with that. Robinhood hasn't gone cheap enough for me to buy more. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome, Paddy April. Lovely. Our ladies from Italy. Wonderful to see you. All right. Now then, we've got a few guests here watching the show tonight. We want to welcome you. We do a cash prize giveaway every single Friday. It's free to enter, free for all. And we do it via a newsletter. So I give you all my top tips and I give you all my cash prize draws. There's loads of them. Well, I say loads. There's currently 2 running. The monthly one and the weekly one. Free to enter, free for all. It'll be in the newsletter. There is the newsletter right there in the chat. We currently don't have a sponsor for this week. Currently, the price to sponsor the newsletter is $10 in the super chat. And I could put your link to your business or your charity or whatever it is, plus a picture and plus a one line in the newsletter. And the newsletter today will go out this Sunday so far to 193 people. And it's growing all of the time. So if you want to do a $10 super chat, you can sponsor this week's newsletter. Now, once you click on that link, that'll take you to my page, which is here. You need to put your email in, and then you will receive a verification email. Now, 50 people haven't checked their inboxes for their verification email, so they're not getting it. Otherwise, it'd be over 200 plus that get it. There's the email in the chat you are looking for, thedaytrader@martynlucas.com. If you've not yet received the weekly newsletter, you can click on it again, get yourself sent through another news verification email, and you can make sure that you're getting it. Don't want to miss out, do you? All right, everybody over there on TikTok, how are you all this afternoon? Thanks for all the follows. Nearly 23,000 followers now. Thank you ever so much. We gained a couple of hundred this morning, which was nice. If anyone subscribes to me during the live show, at the end of the show, you'll be one of my subscribers. You get the Luca badge, plus you get exclusive content just for my subscribers. I will follow you back. I only follow my members and subscribers, and the reason I only do that is because I engage in everyone who follows me. So they get exclusive content. I make a commercial for you to promote your channel and put it on my channel. So I invite all my 23,000 followers to follow you. But also I engage with you. So I share with you viral videos, so it helps your channel grow. It's the best way to grow your TikTok channel, way better than paying for ads. I will help you grow by using my success becomes your success, all right? And you can only subscribe to me during a live show. Okay. What was the poll? Let's have a little look. We had 2-0 saying Coinbase was going to have a bad earning. So let's do it again. So last time it was 2 says bad and 0 says good. So we're going to do a poll now. If you think Coinbase earnings tonight is going to be good, smiley face. If you think it's going to be bad, then sad face. Here we go. All right, there you go. There's the poll running for 1 minute. Hello, Martin, you're the best. Hey, how nice is that? Naz Roller says I'm the best. How kind is that? Tether USD says it will support Ethereum proof of stake transition. That's more good news. Oh, Paul, Zach has told me that he has set up a wallet. He can now receive USDC. I just want to check with you now because you're the man. USDC, is that right? This is what he said in his message this morning. So for his fundraisers and stuff like that. Welcome, Max. How are you? Just subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much indeed. Yes, he said, USDC wallet. USDC wallet. So Zach says he can now accept USDC on his wallet for free, so we can support his fundraiser. So I want you to tell me now which crypto that would be, and I've never done it before. USDC. So I'm assuming crypto. That's in Robinhood, right? Is it compound stablecoin USDC? Is it not in Robinhood? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin SV, and let me show you what I'm looking at. Stablecoin USDC. These are all the ones in USDC is no wallet. USDC is a simple stablecoin. Every wallet can hold it. Yes, but he can accept USDC. That's what I'm saying. That's what I mean. He's got a wallet to accept USDC. I apologize. These look Avalanche, Polygon, Shiba, Uniswap, Ethereum, Litecoin, Chainlink, Stellar, Bitcoin Cash, or Compound. Am I to take it that USDC is not on Robinhood? USD can't be traded on Robinhood. Only real-time market data is available. Okay, that's frustrating. So it's not available on Robinhood. That's not the end of the world. I would have just liked to have done it on there. I wonder if it's coming. I wonder if they'll introduce it. Yeah, it's not available at the moment. Yeah, it supports a lot more real data. But anyway, it doesn't support it. That's a shame, because I want to be able to use my Robinhood. So the point is people can see what I'm doing live on the air. That's always frustrating. Never mind. What was the other one he said? He could accept... He can also accept Bitcoin, though. He can accept Bitcoin. Do you know what the fee would be? He says he can accept Bitcoin, BTC, but there's a charge. Do you know how much it would be? I bet it's not very much, is it? I bet it's not very much. Each coin has its own address to receive. You have to pay attention to that. Yes, that's correct. Absolutely right. Every wallet does. You're absolutely right. Fully familiar with that. Thank you, Finn Paul. Appreciate your input. Right. I predicted a rise into the close. We are getting the rise into the close. We've got just a few minutes ago, 27 to be precise. Let's run a quick commercial break. Bring everybody up to date. Day trader of the day. And let's do that now. Let me go back to COINBASE a minute. Keep our eye on it. The fees are not charged by the coin, but the exchange. That's correct. From which it is sent. Every exchange has different fees. So we don't know then, do we? Until we try it, I guess. But anyway, I guess COINBASE, Crypto.com, I could get USDC, right? Anyway, I just wanted to do it from Robinhood, but never mind. That's not a big deal. Anyway, that's what we might do for its fundraiser. Anyway, that being said, let's have a quick commercial break. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. And we're back. All right. Okay. So the S&P 500 is down at the moment. Let's go back over to our main portfolio and see it rising. It is at the moment. Rio Tinto really pumping. That was way less than 10 seconds. It is. Because I always undersell and always over-deliver. It's a motto of mine always in life. Always undersell and always over-deliver. Always do everything better than you promised. Always. Because it's an inconvenience when I go to a commercial break. So I say 10 seconds, and if I can do it in 1 second, everyone's happy, right? Absolutely. Don't say I can do it in 2 seconds and a minute later you're still on a break. It's not good. If I say I'm going to raise $100, I'll raise 1,000. It's just the way I do things. I just think it's the best way to do it. Apple is rising. Robinhood, we're still waiting for an entry to get more. We've got some, but we want to buy more. McDonald's, up 1%. I'm up 6% on McDonald's now. I've been banned from TikTok. No, Ali Isles. I've been banned, 3 times? Absolutely. It happens all the time, Ali. What did you do? Ali, what did you do? Tell me all about it. How can you be banned? You're one of my moderators. I can't lose you. What did he say? For 1 month. Because I keep reporting. Unbelievable. Yeah. That's unreal. Caden says he might sponsor this week's newsletter. Well, you want to be quick then, Caden, because someone could jump in at any moment. It's $10 right now. It was very successful for you last week. We're gaining more subscribers all the time. I think when you did it, what was the readership when you did it? 2 weeks ago, it was under 100, wasn't it? We're now at 193 right now. I can share with you on the screen. 193. So there you go. Anyway, it's the best way to grow your channel. Way cheaper than paying for ads because people are engaged. It's far better. Anyway, for what Ali, China controlled or what? Hey Paddy, hey Ali, lovely to see you all. Wonderful stuff. All right, so then we are looking at COINBASE tonight. We're looking at Bitcoin tonight because we've got Coinbase's earnings coming up after hours. We're down 3.48. My average is 19.6. I refuse to pay 19.6. It has to be under. It has to be significantly under. I wouldn't suddenly go at 19.5 and then 19.4 because by the time I get to 19.2, I've run out of money. No. I'm going to buy at 18, 17, 16, 15, 13, 10. Dramatically increasing, but at the same time increasing my investment each time I do it. So that's my position. And if I miss out, it doesn't matter because my money is somewhere else. I don't need any more Bitcoin SV. I would like to get Ethereum. I've been listening and looking at Paul's information on Ethereum and Bitcoin and crypto generally, and I've fallen back in love with Ethereum again. I can see some definite benefits to that, but again, if I miss it, I miss it. It's not a problem. It has to be the price that I want to pay. That's it. Rio Tinto, we're just days away now from the, I think it's the 11th, isn't it? Can someone remind me? Ali Isles will know. Is it the 11th that we are in for the dividend? I think it is. It will actually say, when it's coming up, it will actually say, and right now it doesn't say. Like Apple, for example, tells you when it's pending, it will tell you. Smash the like. Thank you very much, Zach. Yeah, look, see, $6.01. It says there, August 11th. So 2 days time, I got $6 coming from Apple. Nice. So and all of my dividends are set to be automatically reinvested. CPI data coming out tomorrow morning. Yes, we are all waiting for it. Vasily Sadovsky, welcome to our family. My name is Martyn Lucas, World Piano Man. This is my TV studio. Let me give you a wave. How you doing? This is where we've raised over $1 million for our members and charities, and we play live music here during the show. If anybody wants that, I will do a song, or if you become a member, you will have a birthday celebrated here on the show, or we do a fundraiser for you. There you go. Let me give you the invitation to become a member if you'd like to be. All right. Would everybody please put your cities and countries in and welcome our new guest in today? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too. If you ever become a bronze member, which is our entry-level membership, for you or any member of your family, you can have a birthday celebration live here in the show. We've got one coming up on Thursday for one of our members, and you can have that just by being a bronze member. Evening all, C&V Studio. All right, we've got a race now. Tom is quite interested in being a sponsor again for the newsletter, and he's just come into the show. Caden, you said you were interested in being it. It's $10 right now. If anybody, the first person to give me a $10 super chat, not next week, but the following week, it's already been booked by Ali Tisro. So there's only the next 2 weeks available. The week after that is booked by Ali Tisro. So if you want to get in the newsletter, and it's growing all the time, you need to be either this week, this Sunday, or next Sunday, because after that, Ali Tisro's got the next one. I can't remember the ex-date of Rio. I think it's this week. Vasali, welcome from Italy. Hello Seb Dean. Hello Seb. Seb, you were talking, the questions you asked me this morning about SPCE. There you go. It did the swing, and now it's going sideways. And I remember I announced this morning that we would also see a rise into the close. Well, that's exactly what we are seeing right now, a rise into the close. But we are covering some very important news tonight. We are covering Coinbase. The reason why we are covering Coinbase is because if Coinbase crashes down, if it does, down goes Bitcoin. That's the debate right now. So we've got a little question. Which do I invest in? Crypto.com, Coinbase, or don't know? And that is very, very accurate of what we've always been saying here. Too many people don't know. Nearly half of you have no idea. You're doing that on purpose. Ali Isles, I've got 42 Rio. How many have you got? You know exactly how many I've got. You know exactly how many I've got. I've got 41, and you know, because I beat you by one, and now you're beating me by one. I don't like it. Well, let me tell you something. I will have 43 in a few days because my dividend is being reinvested, and it'll be about 42. It'll be about 42 and a half. Actually, that's how much money I'm going to get. About 1.5 shares. So I will have 0.25 to 0.5 more than you, unless you're reinvesting yours as well, and then you have the same again. This is like, you know, when your mate down the pub says, "What iPhone you got?" And he goes, "I got an iPhone 5. Right, I'm getting the new iPhone 6 then. And for about 5 minutes, you're top dog. And then in a few minutes' time, he turns around and goes, "I'm buying the iPhone 6S. 6 months later, "What phone you got?" "iPhone 6S. "I'm buying the iPhone 7. It goes backwards and forwards. Oh, I win. Well, no, you don't actually, because our 17-year-old investor, our superstar YouTuber, Caden Youngquist, has 44. He's 17 years of age, and he has more Rio Tinto than us old boys. So there you go. Don't get too above yourself. Don't get too excited. What time and where will Coinbase publish this? We'll have it live on the show, Finn Paul. You'll have it live here on the show. All right? We will cover it here for you. Okay? Stick with us. You won't miss a thing. You never miss a thing. It's what we're all about here, live on the Day Trader. Okay, coming up very shortly, we've got... it's impressive, isn't it? He's 17 years of age, and he's got about $2,700 in Rio Tinto. I don't know what's going on here. I got the wrong job. How come Caden Youngquist has more money in Rio Tinto than I do? I'm not having it. I'm not having it. I'm from Germany, brother. It's in the night. Yes, it is the night. I love Germany. I've been all over Germany performing. I performed in Bremen, Bonn, Waldshut, right on the border of Switzerland. Love it. Bavaria, in the Black Forest. Love it. I need to know how long I have to stay awake. Oh, quite, yeah, probably another half an hour. We'll have the figures. The earnings presentation will start in another half an hour after that. But in the next half an hour, we should get the figures. All right. Sold Apple position for Rio. Oh, I see. You sold one for the other. I need to know. That's fine. What's up, Martin? Hi, Tim. How are you, mate? How are you, mate? All right. Coinbase. Well, looking at it, and we're looking at Bitcoin. This is the night that Bitcoin will crash, or could crash. We're waiting for it. I'm just sitting here with a big bucket, going, I'm going to have you. I'm going to have you. Just fall into my bloody bucket, will you? And it won't. It's going, no. You've got to pay more for me. You're not having me. You can't have me for $18,000. I'm 23. Take it or leave it. And I'm going, well, I'll leave it then. And Bitcoin's going, well, you can't have me then. And I'm going, but I want you. Well, I'm $23,000. I'm not paying $23,000. I'm paying 18. Well, I'm not 18. You can't have me. You'll fall in my bucket in a minute. In a minute, you'll go, I'm 18. No, I won't. Yes, you will. No, I won't. Yes, you will. No, I'm going to $100,000 and you're going to be left behind because you won't spend another $5,000. I don't care. I'm paying 18. Well, you can't. I'm 23. I don't know. Why am I having this conversation? This is what happens after 14 months of sitting here staring into a piece of glass. This is what happens. I start having a conversation with an invisible Bitcoin. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Do you know what I need? I don't normally do it. Maybe it's a sign of things to come. Because I am getting a bit tired and I am desperate for a break. Maybe it's time to start drinking on the job. Maybe it's a good idea. What do you think, folks? Sit here smoking and drinking. What do you reckon? Is it the way to go? What, everybody? I've got an actual beer in the fridge already poured out, ready for me. Shall I go and grab it? It's a Corona with lemon in it. Shall I go and have it? Sounds nice. Beer flag. On the weekly, rising wedge. On the daily, Bitcoin is looking like poo-poo. Timothy, it's a great idea. I reckon it's a great idea. I think that's a way forward. It's funny, actually. I often say it. I often say this, right? Because I don't drink, as you know, right? And when I do have a drink, I can see why people become alcoholics, you know. It's a good idea, isn't it? If you just stay drunk all the time, life's good, and I reckon it is. I can see why everyone does it. I hope Derek Sickles' kids aren't watching this. I need an adult sticker to come up. Adult sticker. Derek, Dexter, cover the children's ears. We're talking about drinking and boozing and getting drunk. Hope I'm not listening to that. Big pullback coming very soon. Happy trading. Got to get some sunshine. I'm done for the day. Peace out. Knits for Olds. I love the mask, by the way. You're a mystery man. Don't know who you are, where you come from, boy or girl, man or woman. I've no idea. Oh, back in space. We're back in space. Bought 500 at 655. Did you? You've got cheaper shares than me. I'm not having that. How come that is? Today with a tight stop loss set at 640, just in case it breaks through the 650 support. Could easily test 6 if the support is broken. Pete Barker. I was about to alert Dexter. There you go. You drinking at the meet and greet? Yeah. Right, that's it. That's it. I'm going to go and grab my beer. It's here. It's only over here. Right, TikTok. I'll be right back. I'm going to go through this little magic room, and I'm going to get my. Look, come with me. I'm over here. Look, over here. The fridge is in here. I've got a beer. It's already out. I'm going to go and get it. There you go. Back. The fridge isn't that far away. We like to say it's in the east wing, because on this house we have an east wing and a west wing. Does anybody talk like that in their houses? Is he seriously drinking? Yeah, I'm having a Corona. Here we go. Look, got a glass of Corona, chilled. Look, come on, focus. There you go. Look at that. Look at that. Cheers, everybody. There you go. Ali, you can't screw TikTok, because you're my moderator. I need you, otherwise I get upset with people and tell them off, and then I get in trouble from TikTok. You got to come back. So it's no surprise. I like a Corona too, but at room temperature. Oh, hello. No, that's not good. You have a fine ale at room temperature. You don't have a Corona at room temperature. Who's ever heard of that? Who's ever heard of that? You sat on a beach in the Caribbean, right, with a Corona, and the bottle's all like glistening with water running down because it's condensation. And you got your lemon in the top. Who the heck has a warm one? See, basically, ladies and gentlemen, you may have noticed that we are transitioning our Day Trader channel into a cookery show. Yesterday, it was all about kiwi. Today, it's all about Corona. The benefits of kiwi, and now the benefits of Corona. All right, so it's what it's all about. You know, you think you tune in for financial wisdom. You tune in for recipes in a cookbook. I've got my own cookbook coming out. There's nothing in it other than kiwis and Corona. And that's it. It's very, very easy to be a success on YouTube. It's very, very easy. You can be an overnight sensation. Let's be honest. By the way, now, I was going to tell you something very quickly, if you're interested, and you've got to be interested because it's the law. Oh, wow, we just gained 5 subscribers. That was quick. See what I mean? You gain subscribers and stuff just by existing. Right, okay. Look, what it is, what was I going to share with you? Yeah, where is it? Analytics. Here we go. Views. Here we go. Views. Lifetime. We've now had, in a lifetime, 25,000 hours of watch time, and guess how many views we've had? Not impressions, because you know about impressions. We have had 333,000 views. There you go. Look, 333,000 views. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. 333,000 views. Imagine that. 333,000 times people have looked at my face. That should come with a government health warning. Or there should be something to warn people of that, don't you think? 1/3 times. That's like a small city. A small city of people have looked at my face. Isn't that a worry? That's how I'm affecting the future youth, the future generations. I don't know if that should come with a health warning. Are you drunk? Of course I'm not. I've had one sip of what do you call it? What's this stuff called? Corona. Are you drunk? You expecting the ship to sink, so you're getting lost. What? I just put you on to keep the kids away from the fire. Ah, very funny. Very funny. Now I tell you what, I can guess the age now of Peter Maycock. Peter Maycock is at least 45 years old. I might be wrong. Are you over 45, Peter Maycock? Because that's a joke that only people who grew up in the 80s, that were born in the late 60s, would even know about. So I want to find out. If Peter Maycock is at least 45. I can't pin it down any more than that, but I'm going to say at least 45. You sang me happy birthday. I did, but I don't know how old you were. I didn't ask how old you were, did I? I have no idea how old you are. I've got no idea. Bang on, 40 there, see? See that? Ladies and gentlemen, this is why I'm the world piano man. This is why I've toured 195 countries and I can read people. See? 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 See that? Bang on, 45. There you go. I knew you wasn't as old as me because the comments you make don't imply some of the things I would say or think or have experienced. I guess 45, and I was absolutely spot on. I am amazing. I mean, this is why you watch me, right? Because of this, you can't believe the things I know. You think, how does he know these things? How does he know these things? How can he possibly know them? Well, it just sounded right to me. Where's that Queen song? What Queen song? You could have a Queen song, but it's a $10 super chat. Don't come on here saying, where's my song? I'm not a jukebox. You got to put money in the jukebox. It's not, where's my song? You've got to give me, because I sit here for 2 hours doing a live show and I might earn a couple of bucks with my ads, but if I sing a song, I will lose it. But I will then do it if you give me a $10 super chat. And anyway, $10 super chat someone. You can't do that. You can't come on the show and say, do me a song, and then tell somebody else to pay the $10 super chat. Otherwise, there's going to be inflation. I'm going to start going $20 super chat. That's it. Hi, Martin, I'm late. I know. It's not good enough. Alicia, it's not good enough. You keep turning up late. It's not acceptable. I want a note. I mean, someone said to me today, how come these people watch you every day? What is it you're doing that people watch you every day? I said, well, I mean, it's obvious, isn't it? He went, what do you mean? It's obvious. I'm on the telly. Why wouldn't you want to watch me 2 hours every morning and 2 hours every night? He says, seriously, there are people who do that. I went, yeah, hundreds of them. There are people who watch you 5 days a week, 4 hours a day. Yep. Yeah, there are. And he went, that can't be right. That's weird. I went, it's not. I mean, it's brilliant. Why wouldn't they? And he went, I can't believe it. I can't believe anyone does that. I said, well, they do. They've got taste. They're not like you. You don't know what you're missing. And now, and not only do you watch me 4 hours a day, 5 days a week, most of you are members. And on top of that, when you're late, you even say, please forgive me, I'm sorry I'm late. I think what we've started here, ladies and gentlemen, is a cult. It's a cult. We've started a cult. That's what we've started. Oh my God. I enjoy talking nonsense with you, Martin. So wouldn't I watch? There you go. There's nothing better on the telly anyway, honestly. You could pay for Netflix. It would cost you more than being a member here. I bet some of you pay for Netflix and watch this more. So if you're not a member right now, the question I'm asking you is, why aren't you a member? Because this provides more entertainment and you watch it more than you watch Netflix, so you might as well be a member here. So if anyone's not a member, I think everyone should say, why aren't you a member? Because everybody else is, and you're the odd one out. Seriously, I mean, you watch me more than Netflix. Netflix is like, what, $20? If you have the family plan. The Jim Jones of investing on YouTube. I'm laughing and I don't even know who Jimmy Jones is. So that tells you a lot, doesn't it? I mean, that tells you a lot when I don't even know who Jimmy Jones is. Right, I'm going to ring the bell. I'm going to ring the bell because no one told me. The bell's gone. There we go. Right, Zach, we are going to do a little test. Zach, my friend, we're going to do you a little test. Tomorrow, I am going to send you a little bit of Bitcoin because we're just going to, I know you pay a fee, but it might be like nothing. I don't know. So we're going to do a little test. So tomorrow, live on the show, I'm going to send you a little bit of Bitcoin. And I want to see how much you have to pay in fees. All right? Okay. And then we're going to find out. Because everybody can send Bitcoin. Everyone. And we'll see how much it works out of. Anyway. All right? We'll do that tomorrow. So don't drink the blue Kool-Aid. Yes, don't drink the blue one. You can have the red one, but don't choose the blue one. Hey, Peter and Market. Great. It's good, isn't it? I mean, seriously, you can't watch Netflix and the man on the telly on Netflix says, hey, you. And he comes up to the glass like that. He comes up to the TV screen and goes, hey, you. Hey, you, Zach from Uganda, Africa. Watch the show tomorrow and I'm going to give you some money. That wouldn't happen, would it? That wouldn't happen on the normal telly. I'm just saying. It happens here. Right, Coinbase. Coinbase is going down now, the after hours. Let's watch it. If this goes down, Bitcoin could go down with it. Because the success of Bitcoin, the success of Coinbase is Bitcoin and Bitcoin is Coinbase. They're correlated, all right? So if one goes down, the other one will. Let's have a look. Okay. All right. Anyway. I got to run. Down 13%. Timothy Adams, we have not done Day Trader of the Day. Let's do it now. Let's do Day Trader of the Day before you go. To see if you've won. You can't go. Let's come back in 10 seconds from now. Here we go. And yes, it was less than 10 seconds. No one tell me it wasn't. All right, you ready? Okay, so here we go. We are going to we're watching Coinbase go down. Day Trader of the Day. So go to your main screen. Let's do Day Trader of the Day. And I promised you, I said it 100%, we would rise into the close. And we are rising into the close. The show is much better than telly. Great connections in the show. Yes. See? See? That's why everybody watches. No one can understand it. They go, who are these people that watches you every day? All right? Anyway. Here we go. Day Trader of the Day. Are you ready? Go to your main portfolio. Do it properly. Don't mess around. Do it for Tim because he wants to go. He's probably already gone now. He's probably not even bothered to wait 5 seconds. Someone's probably shouting him, quick, Tim, your train's about to leave. You go, no. I'm on the Day Trader show. What's the Day Trader show? I've never heard of it. Well, you need to pay attention. Down 3.5. You ready? Okay, I'll post it on the screen. Market, hi, how are you? Are you okay? Yeah, we're just checking in on market profit. I'm trying to do a Day Trader competition here. Martin, if you are swearing Air Force Ones right now, it's Martin. If you are swearing Air Force Ones right now, it is a cult. If you're swearing Air Force, if you're wearing Air Force One right now, it's a cult. Charlie Bucket with your golden. I've got a golden ticket. I've got a golden ticket. That makes no sense, by the way, what you just said there. Right, here we go. Hang on. Let me put my score up. I am down 3.55. Okay. Let's have a look. Down 3.55. Hi, Tim. Great to see you. I'm down 13.5. I got to go. No, you haven't. You got to wait until we've done this. Tell everybody else in your life to wait. Rocket Man, 0.53. Down 4%. I'm good. Waiting on Coinbase earnings in 6 minutes. Market profit. Send it into us. You ready for Bitcoin to crash? 0.53. Down 1.7. The winner, without a shadow of a doubt then, is Rocket Man. We've not seen Rocket Man for ages. I don't know if we can... now we are officially a cult. We are more than a family. We're a cult now. So I don't know if people aren't here regularly, I don't know if we can allow them in without an induction. Rocket Man used to be a member. He's not a member anymore. I can't have these people not members anymore. It's like if you're in our cult, you're in our cult. You've got to be members. You know, what can I say? Right, here we go. Thank you for your honest trade. Give him a thumbs up. Oh, hang on a minute. Dexter Sickles is up 1.13. Gave a good one. Congratulations, Rocket Man. Happy gains. No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Neil Carver. No, I'm sorry. No. Dexter Sickles with the Dexter Sickles family. Is all there. He's up today. Thank you for your honest trade. You're a bit late. I don't know why I'm letting you win this. I shouldn't really, to be perfectly honest. Here come the sound effects. There you go. Anybody interested in joining a nudist cult, accepting no members? Yeah, we got that. We've got the nudist cult sorted out. Market. It's in 15th of October. No one realises it yet, but the whole convention on the beach is going to be in the noddy. The whole thing is. No one realises it, but if anyone read the small print of the Kickstarter, right? The Kickstarter, it said when you turn up to the event, it's going to be a nudist thing, as sponsored by Market Profit. So anyway, Market Profit. I don't think you're even coming, are you, Market Profit? You're not even coming to it, are you? Not even coming. You're in Canada. The S&P is going up. Would everyone, if we're a cult now, if we're more than a family, if we're a cult, I want everyone to recognize that I'm a genius because I said that it would rise into the close, and it did. Anyway, great news. It's great news. Apparently, it's great news that everyone's going to walk around in the nude. I'm not quite sure why. It's great news. Leo, you all right? Oh, all right. I don't know why it's great news, but apparently it is. Maybe in another life, Market. Yeah, everyone's got. Apparently, it's it's what you do when you start a cult. It's what happens. Martin, I will buy Robinhood for 4,000 euros. When can I buy the best? Martin, I will buy Robinhood for 4,000 euros. When can I buy the best? Nasrol Haidari. What does that mean? 60 seconds until coin earnings. All right, here we go. Coinbase, are you ready? This could send Bitcoin in free fall. And I've got my big bucket to pick it up. That's exactly what I'm hoping for. If you're interested in crypto, just buy Bitcoin. You don't need to buy Coinbase. I'm just saying. And 42% have no idea. 37% said Coinbase. 21%. Paul B, are you still here? You are failing in your education. Because you said we should all buy Crypto.com. But 37% said we should buy Coinbase. And 41% said don't know. So if I'm judging you as a teacher for crypto, you are seriously failing. You are rubbish. Because according to the poll, only 23% reckon we should buy Crypto.com. So come on, Paul, you got to step it up a gear. Paul's got to step it up a gear. All right. So I'm just saying, Paul B, you are failing at the moment. Right. Okay. Here we go. Coinbase. We are down another percent in the after hours. Any moment now, we're waiting for the report. My portfolio is doing all right. But we expected everything to go down today because of the CPI report in the morning. And we're waiting for it live here on the Cult of Lucas. Virgin Galactic has been coming up a bit. Virgin Orbit, everything's going sideways now. Tesla, sideways. Tesla split coming up. Rio Tinto round the corner. There it is. Rio Tinto's doing great, by the way. Coinbase, we're watching it. Horrible miss on Roblox. I don't like Roblox. I'm not in Roblox. I don't like I wouldn't buy it because I don't like the name. I don't like the name. Anything that starts with Rob then goes to Locks can't be right, can it? Am I too late? Too late for what, Ali Isles? What are you too late for? You're always too late. I'm up 1.3. 1.3 probably isn't good enough. Oh, it is. Yeah, you would have won. Yes, it is too late. You can't rock up 20 minutes later. Remember the rules. This is a cult. You got, there are rules to follow. Bitcoin is pushing up like Robinhood. Robinhood. All right. Now, this could be interesting because Bitcoin's going up. Bitcoin's probably already reacting. Ali wins again. No, he doesn't. Don't come on here claiming victory when you didn't win. No. No, no, no. Right. Coinbase is going down 1.17. Let's refresh the screen. Do we have any information? Market Profit is going to send it through to us any second now. But I'm also looking at my own sources as well. And it's saying available after hours. It's not posted yet. I don't see it. So we don't know. Hello, my favourite Englishman. Hang on. What do you mean? How come Ali is your favourite Englishman? Bitcoin 26 to 28. Right. Coinbase is going down. Bitcoin is going up 26 to 28. That's what Paul B reckons. Not if Coinbase crashes. It's not. So let's see. Coinbase. It's down nearly 10, 11, nearly 12% today. Not good at all. But this is nothing yet. Still waiting. 2 minutes late. Still going down. This is important, folks. This is important. I want it to go. I mean, not if I've got anybody here that's got shares in it, of course. And, I don't want anyone to lose money. But I certainly want it to go down. There, I said it. Ali says, I think TikTok is officially Chinese controlled. There it is, I've said it. Oh, Coinbase is going down. Here we go. Coinbase is down 10, 11, 12, 13% now over the day. Let's see if Bitcoin is following it. Bitcoin is holding at the moment. That's interesting. It's not reacting with it at the moment. Let's see what happens if Coinbase go. Oh, there he goes. Oh, we're down. Oh, it's falling off a cliff. It's falling off a cliff. $84. Oh, 82. It's going down now. You share the same position, Martin. The same position. How can I have the same position? How can I have the same position? I'm not having that. Watch Bitcoin. Let's have a look. Bitcoin now is down 3.4. It's not reacting to it yet. But let's go back to crypto. Coinbase, I beg your pardon. Okay, now it's coming back up again. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at this. Here we go. 5%. It's pumping up. Look at this. 6%, 6.5%, 6.5%. It could be a quick pump and dump, though. That's what happens. 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 8.5, 9, 9.5. Get ready for a big drop, though. Oh, there it returns. Oh dear. A lot of manipulation here. We've not got the earnings out for Coinbase, but what we do have, we have Coinbase reacting in a very strong way right now. This is very, very interesting. And down it goes again. Down it goes again. So this is very, very, very unusual behavior. This is what happened, not as dramatic. This is similar to what happened to Amazon. The earnings came out early. It dropped like 20%. I bought some, if you remember. It went straight back up again. Someone's put a quid in the meter. Big miss. Ah, no surprise. No surprise. There we go. Look at that. Instant. Coinbase revenue fell 31% to 833 million. No surprise there. Coinbase globally losses 4.98. There you go. 4.98 share loss. 4.98. Estimated 2.68. That's not a small loss. That's absolutely huge. I have no idea why that's popping up. Why on earth would you buy into that? Why on earth would it? Revenue 80 million, estimated 854. Massive miss. Massive. That's a huge miss. How the heck has Coinbase managed to do a disastrous, absolute disastrous earnings and then get a pump of like 10% in seconds and then dump again? That is a complete... Who the heck would do that? That is obviously... I'll tell you what that is. That is a whale, a very rich investor that knew... If he dropped a load of money before the earnings was released, everybody would pile in, the share price would go up, and he dumped it at the top. That is manipulation if I've ever seen it. That is awful. Short squeeze. Wow. That is awful. Absolutely awful. That isn't just a bad earnings. I would say that's the worst earnings we have seen. The biggest miss we have seen by a long way. That isn't a bad earnings or a little bit not as good. That is absolutely disastrous earnings. And that did not warrant that pump. There you go. Now it's selling off. Now people are running to the hills now. It can't do it again if the news is out. Remember, if the news isn't out to the retail investor, remember, a lot of young kids, a lot of people that don't understand, see it pumping and think, this is great, we're making money. Buy it back in and get dropped. What you've got there, you've got Mr. Big here. Mr. Big was there. He bought in with his several millions of dollars. As it started to go up, all the young retail investors plowed in. Look, it's going to make a load of money. Bitcoin, all this stuff, it's brilliant. Right at the top. And when it got up there, Mr. Big dumped it. He got his money out. He made 12%. And all the young investors who don't know what they're doing held the bag, and it's come all the way back down again. I mean, that virtually should be illegal, shouldn't it? That virtually should be illegal. Wow. Yes. Crypto, Coinbase is, what's Bitcoin doing now? Crypto is not in free fall market profit. We can't say that. Bitcoin and SV and Ethereum are not moving. Great news to me. I sold all my Coinbase on Friday. It is indeed for you. Absolutely right. Spot on. But that is terrible what just happened there. Because what you got to realise is there are people now... It's trying to go again. Look, there are people now, probably young retail investors who've got no idea what they're doing. They're all excited by pump and dumps and all of the trends and the memes and all the excitement of it, who probably saw that happen, bought in, and got dumped right at the top. And now they're holding the bag at $95, and it could go down to $50 now. I'm surprised it hasn't continued to fall after that news. Coinbase ain't going anywhere. They got BlackRock now. Well, that's what Dan says. Many of us don't agree with that. The stock market is rigged. It's a rigged casino, not based on fundamentals. Once you figure that out, you'll understand how to play the game. I understand that, Market Profit. I've learned from you. I've learned that lesson. I stand by it. CPI results okay tomorrow. Bitcoin 26 to 28. Then wham. I think market numbers are wrong. I think markets numbers are wrong. What did Market Profit just say? What numbers did he give you there? A 498 loss, if that is correct, what Market Profit has posted isn't bad. It is absolutely disastrous. So we shall see. I can't verify these figures. They are being sent in by Market Profit, a member of the family, one of our moderators, one of our members, using a different account, just so you know. He has a different account where his membership is. Dan, revenue 808 versus 854 sounds a lot more believable, I have to say. Market's profits were extremely dramatic, and all I'm going is on what he has said. 803, 808, not 80 million. Revenue 808. That's a 50 million miss, not 800 million. Yes, it was a mistype on revenue. Quarterly share loss was right. Quarterly share price was right. Okay, well, as far as I'm concerned, that is disastrous on any level. There we go. Coinbase is going now. Here we go. Coinbase now is big. Let's get some perspective, guys. Go to the year. Go to the 5 years. Yeah. Just disaster. Correct. This is still ugly, but not that ugly. Daniel Smith, you're down 1.97. So let's keep our eye on Bitcoin, crypto, Ethereum. They're not moving. They're not moving. Bitcoin and Ethereum are not being affected. Coinbase revenues missed on both top and bottom line revenues. Hey Joshua James, total revenue down more than 64% year on year. Q2 trading volume down 53% year on year. Okay, thank you, Hey Joshua James. The thing is, these earnings estimates were substantially downgraded and they still missed those numbers. That's the end of the day, what we're talking about. But I'm surprised that Bitcoin is not reacting with this news. I would have thought it would have done. Okay. I'm going to end the stream on TikTok, rename it, and start again. I'll be right back in 2 minutes. Don't go far away. I'll be right back with you in 2 minutes. Okay, here we go. I'm going to change the name on TikTok, and this will bring us hundreds, if not thousands, of people. Once you learn the algorithm on TikTok and YouTube, it makes all the difference. Right, here we go. I'm going to ask the question, is Bitcoin about to crash? Bitcoin about to crash. Coinbase. There we go. Bitcoin about to crash. Coinbase. There we go. That'll do. That's a keyword. Let's see what happens now. Totally agree, Paul. Let's have a little look what Paul says. Let me mirror the video. Okay. Okay. Let's have a look. Now, what did Paul just say then? Paul just said all Coinbase has done is devalued while other platforms continue to grow. One thing I believe, and Mark Cuban and Kevin O'Leary have expressed this view, and I agree. We need a huge, huge rinse out of bad stocks, of bad assets, of bad coins, of bad exchanges, bad platforms. When we get more of these disappear and we're left with a few good ones. Remember I said literally a year ago, we don't need thousands of coins and assets. We don't. We absolutely do not need thousands and thousands of different types. We need several, but we don't need thousands. And when all the exchanges there's half a dozen, that's all we need. And when that happens, I think we'll be okay. Good to see Coinbase sticking to their pump and dump origins. Well, somebody bought in, no question about it. When just before the bad news came out, somebody bought in, dropped it like a stone, and sold out and left a lot of people holding the bag up here. Totally agree, Paul, says Peter Wilson. Sold my coin at least and at a loss of 324. Sometimes you need to take your loss early. I agree totally. If you start to realize there's trouble at the company, yes, I'll be buying more CRO in the morning. Crypto.com. CRO. I am going to have a look at CRO right now. Right? Let me have a look at CRO right now. I am going to look at CRO right now. Crypto.com. And have a look how it's reacting to this. I agree 100% that we need to lose. Is CRO a thing? I've lost so much since they wiped all their rewards. Okay, here we go. CRO. Crypto.com. Crypto.com. Crypto can't be traded on Robinhood. Only real-time market data. Okay. So I can't buy it on Robinhood, which is a shame. It's 14 cents a coin, a share, whatever you want to call it. But it's on the bottom. It's been higher. It's not a bad time to get it. 12 cents, 12, 14. Crypto.com up 15%. Unfortunately, CRO isn't available on Robinhood. Unfortunately. Zoom out on that CRO chart. It's painful. Yeah. Absolutely. Well, if you look at it, it's no different than the Bitcoin or anything else. Second, the same thing. Look, it's virtually identical. Of course we missed you, Bill. Of course we missed you. CRO not on E-Trade or WEBULL. Is CRO a thing? I'll be buying more CRO. You can buy it on Crypto.com, of course. But anyway, I'd rather just, if you're going to buy Crypto.com, in my humble opinion, and there's nothing humble about me, says Dan Penner, you might as well just buy Bitcoin. Like I've always said, why would you buy a gold mine when you can just buy gold? You take away all the risk. Now, I'm not saying that Crypto.com might not be brilliant. Might be the best thing ever. But if you own the main assets on that platform, Because remember, the company only the network only does as well as the assets it holds. So it makes sense to me, if you are interested in crypto, just buy Ethereum and Bitcoin and be done with it. I mean, wouldn't you? Paul B says, hey Bill, true sir, he says. Yep, they had to change rewards on the Visa cards, was not sustainable. Bitcoin, you can't use CRO, you can't use its CRO, it has its utilities. Plu has good fundamentals and its decentralized exchange and cashback. There we go. That's from Hey Joshua James. Anyway, I told you all, and I stand by what I say, that we would rise into the after hours. Well, we did exactly that. There it is. There's the information. It did rise into the after hours. Let me share with you. There you go. It did not turn out to be a green day like I hoped it would. I was wrong there, but it did rise into the after hours. I still think, still pretty good rewards available, says Peter Wilson. I still believe that we will have a good morning. I think tomorrow this is lined up for a really great green day. I think I'm pretty optimistic that tomorrow we will have a green day. I think tomorrow we will have a green day because the CPI will come in at 8.7. And we'll do all right. It will indicate that inflation has peaked. I said it had peaked. Wheat has come down. Remember, the CPI in the US is all about the consumer price index, of commodities and prices we pay, like fuel, wheat, flour, all of these things. They've all come down. They're not all showing yet. Not all of them are showing in the report. So next month, they will. So next month, it could be even better. And if we get 2 months in a row of it falling, officially, recession would have peaked and we'll be looking up. So I think tomorrow, from 9.1, in fact, I'm going to do a poll right now, and I'm going to ask everybody, how many people have we got watching right now? We have a quick look. 29? All right. Before we do the poll, can everyone smash the like button if you want to win free money and you want to be in our free draws and you want to be in the poll and you want to be, I don't know, I'll think of something in a minute. Everyone, we've got 30 people watching me live right now. We go live 10 hours a day to try and share everything with everybody. This is my real money, my real trades, my real positions. I go live all the time. Don't make money out of the live shows. I only make money out of the videos. Please help me out by simply smashing the like button. And you're getting access now to people that are sharing their trades with you. You can call in live to the show. And if this is some kind of help to you, whatever, please do. Joshua James just subscribed. Thank you so much, Joshua James. How are you? Be really nice if we can get at least 20 likes. In fact, I'm going to put Mr. Mini-Me on the screen. Here we go. I want 1 minute on the clock. I said chicky 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 bow bow. I said chicky 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 bow bow. With the real Satoshi, stand up, please. Stand up, say. Stand up, will the real Satoshi, please stand up. Nakamoto. Hey, with the real Satoshi. There we go. We got 20 likes. All right. I'm happy with that. There you go. Good stuff. Bitcoin versus equals. Ooh, I can't say that. Get myself in trouble. Get myself in trouble. Ethereum. Let's have a little look. Where's it going? It's trying to go back up. It's trying to go up. Bitcoin. See, what I don't like. Let me just get rid of my timer. What I don't like. The one thing I don't like about crypto. I like a lot of things to do with crypto. What I don't like is the way it correlates. Nearly identical with every other coin, which shows you it doesn't say one's a bad coin or one's a good coin. It says people don't really know what it is. Now, Paul's going to go, hang on a minute, I know all about it. I know all about my crypto coin. Don't you label me. Just because you don't know what you're talking about, I know all about it. If everybody who bought crypto knew all about it, like you should know all about it, like I know all about, well, I don't know all about it, but I know enough about Tesla, Microsoft, Apple, so on and so forth, Rio Tinto, S&P 500, so on and so forth. If we all knew, like we know about stocks, they would trade differently like stocks trade differently. Now, I know some of you are going to say, no, not all coins are the same. I know some are different. But the overwhelming majority, look, Bitcoin, Ethereum. I mean, come on, guys. It's virtually identical for 5 years. I mean, it's the same thing all across the board. Look. You'd be a blind man not to see the difference. I mean, look. Ethereum, Bitcoin. Excuse me. Hang on a minute. Now, if they were all different and they had their own values, which they obviously do, and they should have, why are they all behaving virtually identical? Not every single one. Don't come back and say, oh, Luna went to zero or whatever. At the end of the day, majority follow each other like lemmings over a cliff. They all do the same thing. Well, that's not how stocks and shares go. Let me tell you that for nothing. Having studied and stared at a screen for 10 months, for 14 months, 10 hours a day, that's not how they work. They're all different. So why is that? See, you go through these stocks, yeah, we're down today. Stocks tend to go down, but look, Apple's up. Amazon's down. It's not the same. It's not the same. Look, McDonald's. Does McDonald's look like Robinhood today? No. But crypto doesn't do that. And that's not a good sign. How is that a good sign? It's not a good sign, is it? It's not a good sign when crypto all just follows each other. It says it's got no individuality. It doesn't know what it is. Everyone just buys it. Everything else is going up. What's the point? I don't get that. Dumped all my Bitcoin for coins with real prospects. Coin almost green. I know it's incredible, isn't it? I wouldn't say it's almost green, Dan. It's got 11% to go before it goes green. 11%. If you mean in the after hours, yes, but over the day, certainly not. You're looking at a handful on Robinhood. You look at the top 100, you'll see variations in performances like stocks. Fair comment. I'm just looking at the main ones. I know there's many more, and I take what you're saying, and you're probably right. I'm sure you are right. You've experienced it every day, and I'm sure you know what you're talking about. But anyway, after hours, yeah, I see what you were saying. I don't understand why it's coming back up, though. The earnings was terrible. Let me refresh the screen, see if it's giving me the figures here. I don't know why. Really don't. But anyway, it seems to me certain crypto, it doesn't matter what you throw at it, no matter how bad the earnings are, it still reacts okay. And it doesn't make any sense. Anyway, let's see if the figures are on here now. No, it's still not showing. But we know it's out. Any reason why Tilray had a 10% dip today? Not that I'm aware of. I don't know what the reason is. I noticed that earlier. I don't know why that would be. There's no particular news surrounding it. I get bulletins from the shareholders forum. I receive information all the time, and I didn't see anything that was untoward. Why we would have this loss, but we're up 0.5% in the after hours, if that makes you feel better. But anyway, at 23,230, Bitcoin turns down. Just a manipulation move to liquidate, trust me. Oh, I've no doubt. 23,230. Yeah, thought it was strange. Just thought I'd ask. Yeah, you just thought you'd ask. Yeah, you didn't find out very much, did you? You know, you asked the question. What did you end up with? Nothing. Nothing at all. All right, I've no idea. But after hours, I tend to read and study and see what's what, and I might find out by the morning. So, we are going to wrap up the show, and we've got a big day tomorrow. Sir Real Ray, hello again over on Twitch. Sir Real Ray is quite a legend, folks, I will tell you that. Sir Real Ray is on Twitch as a subscriber. He's very sensible. He did it for free, so every month he'll be in a free prize draw. There are only 6 subscribers. The other 2 are me and Leah. So 1 in 6 chance of winning a prize every month. And he pays nothing to be a subscriber. It's free using Amazon Prime. Very sensible. So Real Ray is in the house. He's also a subscriber over on TikTok. And he's also a member here on YouTube. We're talking commitment here, folks. This is what I'm saying. We're a cult. We are. We're a cult. We've got people here who members everywhere. There you go. Looking in from everywhere. I know, Real Ray. You might, what, do you think you're going to get a different angle? If I watch on Twitch, I might see something different. No, you won't. If I watch, have you tried Twitter? I'm live on Twitter right now as well. If you look in my all links button, here, I'll give you my all links button, right? This is where you get the newsletter, right? Is my all links. If you go into the all links button, you will see that I'm live on Facebook profile, personal, Facebook page, like the Day Trader, live on LinkedIn. Hello, LinkedIn, everybody. How you doing? Live on Twitter, live on my website. I should start giving special prizes for people who watch on the website. Let me have a look at that right now, actually, by the way. If I go to the website right now, let me see. If I go to the home page of the website, I should be live right now. Let me have a look. Yeah, look. This is the website right now. Shall we? I've never done this before. I should test it. Probably should test it. This is MartynLucas.com. Look. MartynLucas.com. And look. Who's watching on the website? Oh, look at that. You can watch me on the website. Look at that. How about that? Did you know that? Did you know? A challenge to join everywhere. Absolutely. A new profile. There you go. That's what I should do. I should have some kind of bonus for people that watch everywhere at the same time. All right. Anyway, I've never seen it on the website. Has anybody seen it on the website? Here you are. I'm going to tell everybody right now. Here you are, MartynLucas.com. Click on that. MartynLucas.com. Check it out. Anyway, enough of this nonsense. Enough of it. Enough of it. Okay. I will check it out. Yes, you need to check it out. Virgin Galactic, down in the after hours. I'm down 1.64. It's a shame. I had $3,000 in that. Oh, here come our scammers again. Right, we're going to end the show right now. It's time. It's time. I spend my entire life replying to scammers, emails, messages. Unreal. Okay. So, we're going to end the show now then. We are back in the morning with the opening bell, but at the moment the precise moment we start, which is 7:30. I know, it's crazy, isn't it, Paul? How many times? I know. Old Purdue, we'll check it also. There we go. Old Joe, how are you? You're checking it out as well. Old Joe, you're on, first time chat on Twitch. Don't miss out. This is very, very important. I'm talking to you now on Twitch. If you subscribe to me, using Amazon Prime Gaming, which is free. Do you have Amazon Prime? Turn Amazon Prime Gaming on, which is free. You just go, it's Amazon Prime /gaming. You go, do you want gaming? Yes, it's free. You don't do anything. You don't pay for it. And then you connect Twitch to Amazon, your Amazon account, because Amazon own Twitch, and you can subscribe to me. Now, I've got 8 subscribers. Only 6 of them count, because 2 of them is me and my wife, Leah. And then every month, I give a cash prize away to my subscribers. So all the ad revenue, the subscriptions, all that money, I have to give back. And it's free. You could be a member forever for free. I know. It's brilliant, isn't it? I don't know why everyone doesn't do it. Check the Bitcoin. Let's have a look. Bitcoin still going up. You were saying a Bitcoin turn. What do you mean? Still going up. Nothing, no turn about it. Finn Paul, still going up. Old Papa Joe 997. He's saying, okay, I can do it. You might as well. And every single month, I have a cash prize draw for free. All right. Brilliant, isn't it? Anyway. I know. It's amazing. The reason why I do it is I just want to give back everything I get to you guys. All I want to do is grow the best YouTube, Twitch, TikTok channels in the world. Everything I get, I'm trying to share it with everybody, right? I'm a nice bloke, really. What can I say? And just for you, Ola Peugeot 997. Here is my cash prize giveaway every week newsletter. There we go. There it is. There is the newsletter. Do it every week. And the email you're looking for in your junk box when you verify is thedaytrader@martynlucas.com. I'm giving you that because you need that, because the verification email enables you to get it. If you don't verify it, it goes into your junk folder. You've got to search for it. And it goes into your junk folder because it is it mentions the words free and cash prize. On YouTube too. I know, Real Ray, you're a legend. Right. We've got something here. Finn Paul, ich kann nicht sprechen die Deutsch sehr gut. Finn Paul von Deutschland. Anybody know what I said there? Finn Paul at 23,230 Bitcoin turns down. Finn Paul is a chart reader. I don't believe in charts. As you know. As you know, I don't believe in them. But Finn Paul says at 23,230, like it's magic. All of a sudden, when it hits that number, everyone sells. I'm not so sure. I get it. I don't really, believe that's the way the world works. But many of you do believe that, which is why you react that way. And I understand that chart readers react that way, which gives me the advantage knowing that all chart readers all follow each other like lemons over a cliff. So I will catch them with my bucket when it drops to $10,000, because I know what they're going to do. They're going to get greedy, they're going to get fearful, and as soon as they do that, I'm going to pick up all the cheap stock. And that's what I do all the time. Anyway, let's have a look. We're doing really well today over there on Twitch. We got 5 people in Twitch. Thank you so much, guys. You are the best. We will see. I'm not a technical analyst. I have other sources. Oh, he knows Satoshi personally. I love it. Let's see what happens. Finn Paul. Now then, we've got 27 watching, which is pretty amazing. I was going to end the show, but you've kind of stuck with me. So what would we like to do? I'm going to give you a poll. All right. I'm going to give you a poll. Okay. What shall we do? What shall we do? End now. Do a song. Then do a song. Then carry on. All right? And give you a choice. End now or do a song and carry on. Because if I'm going to end now, I'm going to end now. If I'm right, you follow me on Twitter. I only follow my members and subscribers, I'm afraid, on TikTok. I only follow my members. It's a perk of my memberships, so I can't follow you whether I want to or not. I can only do it to my members. It's a perk. And the reason why I do that is because I like to engage with people. No point follow for follow. I don't believe in following for following. It doesn't help anyone. It's why I've got nearly 5,000 subscribers on YouTube. Over 5,000 on the Martyn Lucas channel. And on TikTok, nearly 23,000 followers, and I only follow a handful of people. It's because I engage in everybody I follow, and all of the people I follow benefit because I engage with them. I make them commercials. I promote their channels. Everybody wins. It's much better than just a follow for follow's sake. So I'm your #1 on TikTok. I share your TikTok with my 250,000 followers many times at the start. Do you? Finn Paul, are you on? Go on then. Go on the TikTok and let me see who you are then. You've got 250,000 followers. All right then, Finn Paul. Go on to TikTok right now and I'll click on your name and I'll see who you are. All right, Finn Paul, go into TikTok right now and I want to see. I'll click on you and I want to have a look. You've got 250,000 followers, Finn Paul. I had no idea. I want to have a look. So I need to see who you are. What price do you expect Bitcoin to drop to? I think Bitcoin's going to go all the way down to $10,000, but no one knows. No one knows. And anyone who tells you on YouTube they know, they don't. They're just making it up. Is this a Bitcoin crash? Well, no, it's not a Bitcoin crash. At the moment, we're asking the question, will Bitcoin crash? It isn't at the moment, but I do believe it's coming. But I don't know any more than anyone else. Do a song, then carry on. All right, then. How many votes did we get? 3. There's 27 people watching and 3 people vote. What the heck is that? There's 27 people watching on YouTube and only 3 people vote. Unbelievable. So let's have a look. The S&P. I'm waiting for more. End now. Someone says end now. Bugger off. Go home. That's funny. Why would you say end now? If you want me to end now, you can end it yourself. If you want me to end, you can just end it yourself. See comment on TikTok. All right. The best answered. The best answered. That's right. The best answered. There we go. Bill is on. Yeah, I'm Finn Paul. About Paul. Oh, yeah, I remember you. Oh, yeah, look at that. About Paul. I remember you now. I remember you now, yeah. What do you do? I'm gonna go and check out your channel. There you go. You need a better moderator bot. I did. Right. Okay. This is especially now for About Paul. About Paul was one of my first members here on TikTok. Arrival up nearly 4% after hours. Let's have a quick look. Arrival, we've got Arrival up nearly 4% after hours. Are you sure, Seb Dean? Are you sure? No, I'm not seeing that, mate. It was, yeah, it was up nearly 3%, and dropped back down. But Oh, it's going up again. Now, Arrival and Rivian, we're reporting those on Thursday, before and after hours. Has everybody gone on my blog, MartynLucas.com, and clicked on it yet? Have you? Are you lined up for it? Right, okay. We got 6 votes. Do a song, then carry on. The people that said end now, you can just go. You don't you don't have to say end now, because you can just go. You don't, you can just end me. I mean, I have no control. You go delete and I'm gone. I mean, what can I do? So the same amount of people that I asked that before the poll are still here. So you're still here. Even though you said end now, you've stayed. Right, okay. About Paul. Don't end. Don't end. Well, that's all right for you. I've had no super chats today. I know no one's got any money now. Life is getting tough. So I'm going to do a song. I've decided I'm going to do a song. I'm taking TikTok with me, right? So here we go. I'm going to do a song. I need some music. And I know exactly what I'm going to do. All right? I'm going to do some music. You owe me a credits finish. I know. Let's hope it works. Let's hope it works, all right? Let's do a credits finish. All right, so I'll put all the super chats on here. No, we won't. We'll leave what should we leave? There, we'll leave that on there so we can see what's going on. All right, you can come with me now. I'm going to do a song. That's it. All right, you can come with me. Oh, TikTok broken. TikTok has brust. TikTok blew up. I can't do nothing about that. I'm afraid. All right. Here we go. The heck? What's going on here? Okay, here we go. What's going on here? What was that? Okay, here we go. What's going on here? That's better. Okay. It looks like TikTok broke. So I'm going to start TikTok again. Everybody on TikTok, it broke. It busted. It reset itself. So here we go.
What is the first word that comes to your mind?
I don't know. No idea. What is the first word that comes to my mind? There you go. There we go. Resume. Okay. Hang on a minute. All right. Hang on a minute, what's going on here? Okay. I wish that I could write a love song with my feelings so sincere. A song so fresh, a new beginning, like the rain in the morning. I wish that I could write a love song with my feelings so sincere. The song's fresh, a new beginning, like the rain in the morning. I wish that I could write a love song with my feelings so sincere. A song so fresh, a new beginning, like the rain in the morning. I wish that I could write a love song with my feelings so sincere. The song's so fresh, a new beginning, like the rain in the morning. I wish that I could write a love song with my feelings so sincere. The song's so fresh, a new beginning, like the rain in the morning. All right, we're gonna do I'm gonna do a little test now. All right, just because I fancy doing a bit more music, we're gonna end the main show here on the Day Trader, but we're gonna keep the show going and switch to my other channel. So on the homepage of my YouTube channel right now, all right, and on TikTok, you can see in the profile, right, that I follow myself, my other channel. It's the Martyn Lucas channel, M-A-R. In fact, you can stay where you are. I just thought you could stay where you are. TikTok, on YouTube right now, I'm going to go over to the Martyn Lucas channel and let's see if anybody joins me. So I'm going to end it here on my main show. All right? I'm going to end it on my main show. And the credits for this show will end on the Martyn Lucas channel after we do a couple more songs. I want to do some songs that I would get copyright for, bit of Phil Collins and what have you. So I'm going to go over now to the Martyn Lucas channel. So I'm going to end it here, and then I'm going to go over to link to the other channel. It's on, if you look on the main channel here, I'll give you the link right now though. If you look on the main channel here, it's on the homepage. But I'll give it to you anyway. All right. I'll give it to you in the channel. Here we go. All right. I'll give you the link right now. So I'm going to end it here, and then I'm going to do some proper music, but which I can't do here on the main show. Right. Okay. Here we go. So I'm going to put it in the chat for you. You ready? Here it comes in the chat. Here you go. Using my other channel. There you go. There's the channel. That's where I'm going to be in 10 seconds from now. I'm going to go and turn the camera around. All right. I'm going to end it on here. Right, I'm going to end it on here, and I'll be right there. Okay. Here we go. Going to end it on Twitch as well. I have to end it on Twitch as well. So are you ready? Going to end it here on the Day Trader. And then we're going to carry on. So we're ending it on the Day Trader now. Here we go. And we're going to end it on Twitch as well. Here we go.